Hi there, and welcome to the Mirka workshop. Today I'm excited to demonstrate the Autostart function on our Mirka DEXOS dust extractor. Now, the Autostart function is a game changer when it comes to efficiency and convenience in our workshop setup. I personally use this function a lot when I want to talk to somebody, in between jobs. Essentially, it allows our dust extractor to automatically start and stop when we power on or off our power tools, eliminating the need for manual control and ensuring the dust extraction is always synchronized with our work. Let me show you how it works. On our Mirka DEXOS dust extractor, we have a designated power outlet where you can plug in your tool. The Mirka DEXOS has two power outlets, one on the inside and one on the front. Both of them have the Autostart functionality. Simply plug your power tool into this outlet, and when you power on the tool, the dust extractor will automatically start running. Let me demonstrate. When the power tool is plugged in and you start to use it, the dust extractor will turn on automatically. The dust extractor turned on automatically when I started the machine, and it continues on for a little while after I've stopped the machine to ensure that the filters are all cleaned. The Autostart function ensures that the dust extraction begins the moment we start working, keeping our workspace clean and reducing airborne dust particles. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to streamline our workflow and ensure that dust extraction is always in sync with our work activities. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights and tips from the workshop.